Hello everyone. Hope everyone is doing well and happy. Though the MCO is lifted a bit, you're able to go out and able to do work. Some of you may be going to office. Well, stay safe and stay calm, yes, and be healthy. Yeah, we miss you guys and we hope that we can meet up soon.
All right. Just want to say I hope that all of you enjoyed the Sunday service, that the message really ministered to each one of you. I guess you know that we honestly miss you guys and wish that we could spend time together, either in the homes or in church once again. But this is going to take a long time. So one of the things that I'd like to do is I'd like to begin our Bible study, because there have been many questions and people are becoming very afraid they are thinking in terms of the second coming of Jesus. They're talking about the mark of the beast. And so I want to talk about the kingdom and also about the second coming. So I'd like us to tune in from the following week, Tuesday onwards. We will be announcing it to you, where you will understand when we are going to have our Bible studies, what time it is. Tune in so that that the Lord can kind of give you peace in your heart concerning all that is happening around us.
Amen.
And how it relates to the kingdom of God. All right. So in the meantime, I trust that all of you will have a great week, and we look forward to having service together with you on Sundays. Enjoy yourselves, in the presence of the Lord. Enjoy one another in the meantime. Make the best of everything.
Right.
So God bless you all. Amen. Be blessed.
Be blessed.